Beijing is one of the most pivotal cities in the world, considering its role as the central axis of power, history, and culture for China for centuries, with something interesting to see around every corner. I found the DJI Pocket 3 to be the perfect companion for documenting such a wonderful city. For one, you can just pull it out and start recording. The camera is about the size of a large candy bar and has a pretty decent battery life. I take it with me everywhere and just whip the camera out whenever there's something interesting to document. Perfect for whenever you see something beautiful, unusual, or exciting on your travels. The 3-axis mechanical gimbal provides buttery smooth footage even while walking or moving dynamically. I also love the camera's ability for discreet shooting. You can go just about anywhere without drawing any attention to yourself, as opposed to walking in places like the subway or shopping malls with a much bigger camera. The slow motion option is awesome too. I still use mirrorless cameras along with different size lenses, but these are not always convenient to take with you everywhere like the Pocket 3, which can always be on hand to capture any moment unfolding before you. All in all, the DJI Pocket 3 is a great choice for making videos on the go in Beijing.